A moral dilemma is a situation where a person must choose between two moral choices. Each choice has its own pros and cons with serious consequences. Picking one option means going against the ethical values of the other. Thus, any choice made will both follow and break some moral principles. Here is an interesting example of the moral dilemma. Please let me know in the comments what would you do in this situation. You have a family member with Alzheimer's disease who is living in a costly care center. Their children cannot afford the expenses, but the family member has enough money in his bank account. The problem is the only way to get that money is by tricking the family member into giving out their bank details. This creates a moral dilemma because the children feel responsible for paying for the family member's care, and the children also feel they should respect the family member's independence and not deceive him. This is called an obligation moral dilemma because the children are torn between two important duties. They must choose whether to ensure their loved one receives the necessary care by tricking them for their money or to respect their loved one's autonomy by not deceiving him, knowing that both choices have significant moral consequences. So, friends, what would you do in this difficult case? Please share in the comments. Thank you for watching.